Good morning, guys. So, typically for my morning routine, the first thing that I like to do right when I wake up is to read my Bible. So, what I'm actually going to do first is I'm going to open my blinds just to let the light in. I like to do this first just so I can have some light in my room while I am reading the Bible. So, I'm just going to put my little slippers on and open the blinds, and then I can start reading for today. Now let's do the Bible verse of the day. So today's Bible verse of the day is from Psalm 35, where his anger rests when we alone, but his favor a lifetime. Weeping may spend the night, and there is joy in the morning. And again, that is Psalm 35. Now I'm going to make my bed quickly, and then I'm going to be putting on my workout clothes. So since I did wake up a little bit later than I wanted to, and I'm going to be working out, and I like to just have a little bit of breakfast or just something light right before I work out. So today I just decided just to have some yogurt and some fruit. So today I wanted to work outside because it wasn't too hot, and I thought it was perfect to weather to work outside today. So I'm going to be doing a 30-minute total body workout today. I didn't show the entire workout, just a little bit of it, but I'm going to do that for 30 minutes. Now it's time to get ready for the day. So first I'm going to brush my teeth and put deodorant on. So I just got my Sephora order in the mail, and I thought it would be fun to share what I got. So let's open it. In this order is actually something that I want to try for a makeup look today. So this first thing is something that I got for using some points. So this is a Skin Fix serum, face serum. Excited to try that. And then two things from Rare Beauty. I finally got the brow gel from Rare Beauty that I wanted to try for a long time. So let's see what's in. Wow, it's definitely smaller than I thought it was going to be. Like the little tube, really cool. I'm really excited to try this. And then another thing from Rare Beauty is the matte blush. I have Soft Pinch Matte Bouncy Blush, and I have the shade Hope. Alright, bought the shade Hope. Wow, it looks really pretty. I love that. All right, now let's open the next one. So I got a new thing of shampoo and conditioner. Ooh, that looks like it was like. This is my favorite shampoo and conditioner for fine hair. This is the Way Fine Hair shampoo and conditioner. This feels, I love it. It's so one of my favorites. These were open a little bit, not like fully open, just they were like a little loose. Anyway, this next bag I am super, super excited for. So this feels like there's nothing in here. This is another like a points thing that I got, free thing that I got. Oh, it was just super tiny. So this is the Ultraviolet Supreme Sunscreen. Definitely try this one. And then two things from Kosas that I wanted to try for a while. So we have the Kosas Cloud Set Baking, Setting, and Smoothing Powder. I have the shade Feathery. I was like, I don't have a pressed powder, and this one is supposed to be really good, so I wanted to try it. I hope the shade is a good match. I mean, it should be. Yay! I'm excited to try that. And then this next thing from Kosas is the Kosas Air Brow Tinted Volumizing Gel. I wanted to get a tinted brow gel, so I ordered this one, and I love the packaging for these. These are, even like the brow pencils from Kosas are so cool for the packaging. So now let's finish up this morning routine by getting ready for the day. So now I'm going to be doing my makeup. I'm going to be doing a quick summer makeup look, and by the time I do get ready for the day and do my makeup, it's around, sometimes it would be around 12, so this, I actually had to hurry up and finish my makeup look because we were going out for lunch, so I didn't film the entire thing of me applying the makeup. So now I am ready for the day. That was my morning routine as a Christian girly. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!